This video will show you how to remove the intake on 2009 through 2014 4.6-liter F-150s.
All right, so removing the factory intake is very straightforward. All you're gonna need is that 8mm socket and your ratchet. Helpful to have an extension because some of those clamps are kind of buried in there. But there's 4 primary steps. The first thing you gotta do is disconnect your MAF sensor. There's a little red tab on there. Go ahead and pop that tab free with a little flathead screwdriver or your fingernails, and go ahead and pop the MAF sensor out. Once you've done that, you're gonna disconnect the clamp, securing the intake tube to the throttle body. We're gonna pop our breather hose here for our crankcase blow-by. That's the ventilation right there. Then we're gonna pop off the top of the actual air box itself. There's a little bit of metal clamps down here. You don't need any tools for those. Just pry at them with your thumb, and then we can actually pull the entire intake out of the engine as one piece.
Thanks for watching, and remember, for all things Ford trucks, keep it here at AmericanTrucks.com.